how to use your credit balance on Temu. So if you want to use your credit balance on your Temu, then what you need to do is first open up your Temu application. So basically, your credit balance is the amount of money you're having on your account. So when you go to your bottom section, which is you on the bottom, then you will have this kind of interface where you're going to see a credit balance button. So simply tap on the credit balance button. When you press on it, it basically shows how much money you have left on your Temu mobile app. Your credits will be automatically applied to eligible orders to check out. So your credit balance is basically the amount of money you're having on Temu app, and that amount of money you can spend on purchasing items. So if you have, for example, $100, you're not able to buy, let's say, a jacket or a mobile or something. If you don't have enough credits, you will not be able to make the purchase. Of course, always you can add some money to your credit balance, but as I said, credit balance is just the amount of money that you have left on your app. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.